Welcome in SSM Adsol Polytechnic, SAS, Dharmanagar. My name is Professor Akshay Dekne, and today we are going to learn about the production drawing from the subject Mechanical Working Drawing of Mechanical Engineering 3rd Semester I-Stream. Now today's topic is surface roughness. We know that in production drawing different symbols we are using. Different concepts are there. Within that, one of the important concepts is surface roughness. See, this diagram indicates the surface roughness representation, or we can say surface roughness symbol. This is the triangle having 3 lines and 1 line is extended. The different symbols, alphabetical symbols used are A, B, C, D, E and F. All these alphabetical symbols having different meanings. Now let us see what the all different symbols, all different letters, what actually they indicate. Okay, starting from letter A indicates that roughness value in micron. We know that surface is either rough or either smooth, which will be indicated by this symbol or this letter A. What it indicates? Roughness value in micron. Okay, or we can directly use the word capital R and small a. That is nothing but the roughness value. Or it will be indicated as roughness grade. Next symbol is symbol B, which indicates that manufacturing methods. In manufacturing method, we know that in production, grinding, drilling, smithing, such type of different manufacturing methods we are using in production drawing, or for manufacturing the different components. Next symbol is C, that is sampling length. This sampling length may be varied from component to component. Next one is D, that is direction of lay. Direction of lay indicates that the particular object is either parallel or perpendicular to the plane surface or from the observer's view. Next one is the E, that is nothing but machining allowance. And last one is the F, or the roughness value. If component having different roughness value, then it will be indicated by letter F. Okay. Now these are the major letters which will be used to indicate the roughness or smoothness of the component of the drawing. If you want to read perfectly the drawing, so you should know the meaning of all these surface roughness symbols or all these letters. In exam also, different questions will be asked on the same topic. One of the question you will study, and that is nothing but the, for example, a question is there, state the meaning of machining symbol shown in the figure. A machining symbol will be given to you, or else this particular topic is not only limited to your exam. It may be asked you practically anywhere, in any industry, in any company. So we should know for practical purpose also the meaning of all these symbols. Okay. Now suppose someone will ask you, someone will give you a job drawing, and in that job drawing different symbols are mentioned, and in that symbol one symbol is like this. A component is given, a job drawing is given, and in that job drawing suppose such type of symbol is given which indicates grinding word over here, 0.8 here, perpendicular sign or here 2 and 8. Okay, someone will ask you what is the meaning of this symbol. Then if you know properly the meaning of all these letters, means what exactly mean by the roughness value or roughness grade, or what exactly mean by the manufacturing method, what is mean by C, D and E. If you know all these meaning of these letters, then you will directly give the answer what it indicates. This is the question and answer is in front of you. What you have to mention in the answer is this part. It means roughness grade is 8. Here 8 is indicated. It means that 8 is a roughness grade or roughness value or RA value. Okay. It is mentioned in micron. It is always mentioned in micron because here 8 indicates that this A letter. What A letter indicates roughness value in micron or roughness grade. Here they have mentioned in micron. That means 8 micron is a roughness grade for a given production drawing, for a given production job, for the given component. Okay. Next, 2 is a machining allowance. Machining allowance provided is a 2, which will be indicated by letter E. Whatever the value written in place of E, you have to give the machining allowance. Okay. There are different allowances in production drawing. Okay. Any one allowance will be mentioned over here. Here they have mentioned machining allowances 2. Okay. Next one is grinding. In your example, here grinding is mentioned. It indicates that letter B indicates manufacturing method. It means the grinding written over here, it means that this is the manufacturing method used for producing this job. Manufacturing method used is grinding or drilling or grooving or casting, whatever it may be. If some other component, if the component is manufactured with the help of casting process, for example, then it should be casting. If a circular plate is there, on the plate you have to give a drill, then the process, the manufacturing process will be drilling. So here the manufacturing process varies component to component. Before that, we should know different types of manufacturing process. Then and only then we can give the correct answer of this question. Okay. Next one is 0.8. On this horizontal line, manufacturing method is mentioned, and below the horizontal line, that means here C is nothing but the sampling length. Here sampling length mentioned is 0.8. Okay, and here F is indicated, other roughness value. If this component is not having any other roughness value, then it only mentions the sampling length. Okay, first of all you have to consider C letter, not F. If here a value is mentioned, then this is the C value, that is sampling length. In front of this, if into the bracket some value is mentioned, then we give the other roughness value. In this particular problem, in front of 0.8, nothing is mentioned. It means that only 0.8 you have to consider, and that is nothing but the C, that is nothing but the sampling length. Okay. Next, and one of the important part is this sign. In your problem statement, this sign indicates that the direction of lay. This D indicates that direction of lay means what? This direction is according to the viewer's plane. This particular component, this particular diagram, according to the viewer's plane, what it indicates? This symbol indicates that perpendicular direction of lane. Here I have mentioned perpendicular. In this component, direction of lane is perpendicular. It might happen that in some other component or in some other problem, the direction of lane may be parallel. It may happen. So whatever the symbol written over here, you have to give the description into the bracket. Okay. If symbol is parallel, then you have to mention over here parallel. So such type of question will ask in your exam, or else such type of question will ask practically in anywhere in your industry. So for that purpose, we have studied the surface roughness symbol or surface roughness grades. So in this lecture, what we have studied is surface roughness representation diagram, the different letters, alphabetical letters, their meanings and actual problem. Okay.